Hi, I'm Christina Williams for My Craft Channel, and I have a quick tip for you. Have you ever used a border punch? Sure you have, a lot of us have. I have something that is a fun new idea to use your standard border punch. You know, the kind that has one flat edge and like an eyelet or something across the top. One thing that I like to do is to turn them into a round border using a straight border punch. If you see the yellow portion right here, that was achieved using a straight border punch, believe it or not. Also, the pink area here on the layout using a straight border punch. Okay, so here's how you do it. You got your straight border punch. You put something, pattern paper or cardstock, straight on through the Xyron machine, and then you're going to take a simple pair of scissors and snip up through the bottom and into where there's a hole or an opening. Peel the adhesive off. Now you're just going to take your fringed border punch and apply it to the edge of an embellishment by pleating and pressing down. Because it's got that adhesive on the back, it's very simple to add this to the edge of anything. And there you have a round border punch from a straight border punch. There's a quick tip.